Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use dietary supplements the easy way. First, always consult a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your routine. They can help you understand your unique nutritional needs and identify any potential deficiencies. It's also crucial to select high-quality products from reputable manufacturers to ensure safety and effectiveness. This foundational step helps you make informed choices for your well-being. Once you've chosen your supplements, pay close attention to the dosage instructions on the label. Taking the correct amount is vital for safety and efficacy. Think about the best time of day for absorption. Some supplements, like fat-soluble vitamins, are best with a meal, while others, such as certain probiotics, might be more effective on an empty stomach. Proper timing can significantly enhance their benefits. Proper storage is essential to maintain the potency and shelf life of your supplements. Keep them in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and excessive heat. Always be mindful of potential interactions with any medications you're taking or even other supplements. If you notice any adverse reactions or unusual changes, consult your healthcare provider immediately to adjust your regimen. For supplements to truly make a difference, consistency is paramount. Incorporate them into your daily routine and stick with it over time. Remember, supplements are meant to complement a healthy, balanced diet and lifestyle, not replace them. They fill nutritional gaps, supporting your overall well-being. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.